Anything you buy from Taddy Brothers always includes a 30-day, 100% full money-back guarantee. That means if you are not happy for any reason, even if you don't like the smell of the tape we use to close the box, you have 30 days from the date of delivery to send it back for a full refund. Next, all products purchased on TadiBrothers.com feature our world-class 1-year warranty, which is serviced right here in the USA. Now, if our loosey-goosey refund policy or 1-year warranty don't tickle your fancy, I challenge you to whip on over to Trustpilot.com. Type in Taddy Brothers and read our hundreds and hundreds of verified 5-star reviews. And there you will see exactly how we treat our customers. And those who look at reviews know how hard it is to achieve that. But I can't take that credit. That credit belongs to the knowledgeable and friendly customer service agent that patiently go above and beyond to make sure each customer feels like family. And I hope you will give us the opportunity to do the same for you. If you have any other questions about this product or anything else we discussed in this video, feel free to call us anytime at 866-966-5550, and our American-based team will gladly answer any questions you might have. If you want to speak with me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around, and it will be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.